this should be good. All right, so let's see what you got, Reg.
Okay, so you come on in here, and you could probably like sit here. That's probably like
All right,
probably nice and easy.
I like the lights here.
All right, and so, well, what it was I was, you know, I ride a bicycle, and for bicycle safety, it's good to have a horn or a bell or something like that. So on one of my old bikes, I'd noticed that on the round part that you squeeze, that it had deteriorated and wasn't useful anymore.
Right.
So I was going to throw the rest of it away because, you know, what good is it? But after looking at it a little closer, I noticed that there's like a reed that's stuck into this piece.
Huh.
And it's separate from this little teeny horn. And I thought, wow, it would be very interesting if I could figure out how to put air through it to make it sound like something. So
I'm ready.
So what I did was, so then I figured, all right, let's try some sort of a beat, right? So, you know, and then maybe put it to like that. So, and you're probably wondering, now how can this little horn that's a bike horn be put to a beat? Let me show you.
All right.
All right, so anyway, I'll kick a little beat like.
Rock on, man. That was awesome. That was awesome. That was great. I love it.
Anybody can do it.
Anybody can play the bike horn.
Take the earpiece off of any bike horn, and sure enough, cup your hands around it, and give yourself a little, you know, airspace, and anybody can play the horn. I don't play the horn. I've never played the horn, but I thought, how much fun can we have?
I love it, man. I love it.
That's for everyone. Please enjoy.